Altitude rooftop tent. When you're out in nature, deciding between sleeping in the car or a tent often arises. ARB's new product makes that decision irrelevant. The Altitude rooftop tent allows you to sleep in a tent atop your car. The engineers at ARB have focused on consumer convenience, ensuring that you can spend more time enjoying nature and less time setting up camp. The Altitude tent is incredibly easy to assemble with just the push of a button. When folded, it looks like a roof rack, but when unfolded, it transforms into a fully fledged tent accessible by a ladder. This elevated position helps keep wild animals at bay unless they're interested in your car. The tent is over 2 meters long and half a meter wide, weighing 102 kilograms. Thankfully, you don't have to lug it around in a backpack, making it a practical and convenient solution for outdoor enthusiasts. NEXUS. Antolin's board of directors may have aspired to create their own car, but for now, they focused on revolutionizing car doors. They've developed an innovative front door panel that adds a decorative touch to the interior and integrates advanced features. For instance, the panel includes colored indicators. Yellow lights act as additional turn signals or warnings if a door hasn't been properly locked. If another vehicle makes a sudden overtaking maneuver, the panel will alert you. Additionally, it displays the rear-view camera feed and controls for the music player, allowing you to browse songs, adjust the volume, and tweak the equalizer settings. While these functions are typically found on the dashboard, Antolin's invention allows you to stay focused on the road and offers entertainment options for passengers. This innovative door panel enhances both safety and convenience, providing a glimpse into the future of automotive interior design. Towing Mirro. Owners of the legendary Land Cruiser 70 series now have access to a significant upgrade: enlarged side mirrors specifically designed for driving with a trailer. While not a technological breakthrough, this invention offers undeniable benefits. Firstly, these mirrors are larger than standard ones and can extend further from the car body, ensuring full control over cargo. They also have the capability to fold inwards, which is especially useful when navigating narrow, tree-lined roads. Additionally, they are remotely controlled, offering enhanced convenience. Even older Land Cruiser models with narrow plastic dashboards can integrate this system seamlessly. The MSA Power Fold mirrors start at $1,999, providing a practical and valuable enhancement for Land Cruiser 70 series owners. Fas-Top modular truck bed cover. Meet a remarkable device free from Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or microprocessors. The Fas-Top modular truck bed cover. When folded, it's only a few centimeters thick and resembles a simple tarp draped over the truck, but looks can be deceiving. Ingeniously folded sliding structures transform your pickup into a fully covered van. The manufacturers haven't overlooked functionality. The body features removable sidewalls, perfect for safari enthusiasts. You can even customize it for animal transportation by replacing the rear wall with a mesh. Each cover is tailored to fit individual trucks, ensuring a perfect fit. The Fas-Top modular truck bed cover is priced at $1,329, offering a versatile and practical solution for truck owners. Sure Phone Signal Booster. Here's another handy find for travelers: a cell phone signal booster. It works on a simple principle: locating the nearest cell tower, connecting to it, and boosting your phone signal to 4 bars. The booster is powered from the car's cigarette lighter, while the antenna is placed on the roof, with the wire routed through the door. Tuck the wire under the rubber seals to prevent accidental damage. The booster itself can be discreetly hidden between the seats. It's not aesthetically remarkable, so there's no need to admire it. Leaving it on all the time is unnecessary, especially since cellular coverage is usually strong in cities. You'll only need it when you can't wait to share a photo of a mountain range on WhatsApp. Cargo Ease Hitch Crane. A young and sturdy pickup truck driver might easily toss a bag of cement or a spare tire into the back. But what if you need to lift something heavier? The Cargo Ease Hitch Crane is the solution, capable of hoisting up to 227 kilogram of cargo. The crane's design consists of 4 large metal parts and manual hydraulics, assembled like a Lego Technic set, no bolts required. Despite its strength, the crane is surprisingly lightweight thanks to its hollow shaft boom. 2 attachments are included, a hook and a spreader. In the future, there might even be a clamshell bucket for bulk goods. With this hitch crane, you'll never question the utility of having a crane for your vehicle again. ADLINK. Introducing a fully automated parking system by ADLINK, revolutionizing the way you park your vehicle. This system seamlessly integrates with your smartphone or computer, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency. Upon entering the parking lot, simply scan your smartphone using a special device. This records your vehicle's dimensions and selects the ideal parking space for you. No more searching for spots or navigating tight corners. Let technology do the work for you. Once parked, retrieving your vehicle is just as effortless. Utilize the mobile application to summon your car, which will be automatically brought to a designated platform for easy access. Experience the future of parking with ADLINK IoT-based automated parking systems. Streamlined, stress-free, and designed to simplify your life. Moki. Finding a good housekeeper, locksmith, or welder on a job board is pretty easy. But what about someone who can securely lock your car and hold on to the keys? That's where Moki comes in handy. Moki replaces the need for a physical key holder with a secure digital solution. Moki is a compact device that you can keep in your car, for example, between the seats. Simply insert your keys into the slot, and Moki takes care of the rest, pressing the open and lock buttons for you. You control it from your phone using Bluetooth, which means commands can only be given within close range. However, it does have an automatic locking feature. If it stops recognizing your phone, it locks the doors automatically. Moki costs $139, but make sure it fits your car model before purchasing. This innovative device ensures your car remains secure, even when you're not around to lock it yourself. Automatic ramps. Introducing a range of innovative ramps designed to maximize space utilization and conceal garages seamlessly. Ideal for both commercial and private parking lots, as well as luxury residences, where aesthetic integrity is paramount. These ramps have garnered acclaim from industry leaders like Kay and Burton, renowned for their luxury real estate offerings in Australia, as well as equipment suppliers for developers in Spain. Every detail is meticulously considered, ensuring a flawless integration with the surrounding architecture. Customization options abound, allowing for the top of the ramp to be covered with various materials to blend seamlessly with the environment. The garages themselves exude a museum-like elegance, elevating the space to a realm of sophistication. Experience the pinnacle of parking technology with our automatic ramps, where functionality meets elegance in perfect harmony. Dynamic garage door. Have you ever pondered concealing your garage door? Dynamic garage door experts pose the question and swiftly provide a solution. Originating from a city in California, their innovative approach entails crafting garage doors with 5 seamlessly integrated sections. The choice of materials and design is meticulously curated to harmonize with the overall aesthetic of your home. For those with a penchant for vintage charm, Dynamic Garage. Door also offers the option of utilizing classic wooden doors. After all, the essence of architectural luxury lies in the freedom to express individuality without compromising on sophistication. Experience the epitome of architectural finesse with concealed garage doors by Dynamic Garage Door, where form seamlessly meets function.